friend, maghahanap naman tayo ng poor dito, guys. Yung magga. So, puro ako lang ata yung poor dito, guys. Pero nakatulong naman tayo, 'di ba? 'Di ba? 'Di ba? Oh, I give him. Oh my god! Oh my god! I give you. Oh my god, kawawa naman siya. Silantida ay Lanti. I give him, bro. Na 100 kahit poor lang tayo. Umaga, anong nangyari? Uy, umaga, anong nangyari sa akin, umaga? I want to donate them. And why I'm flying, bro? Oh, dami pala ditong words, oh. Umaga. I give him, and why she do that to me, bro? Bro, what? I didn't do anything, bro. I didn't do anything, bro. Umaga. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wala tayong machempuan dito na poor. Parang ako ata yung poor dito eh. Kambum. Wanna be friends? Of course. I love bacon. Oh, I give you word, right? And you have many words now. Kaboom. No, don't. I give you word, bro. I give you word. Kawawa ka naman, pero pinalipad mo ko, 20 words lang. Wait, ba't ayaw niya ma-friend? Ba't ayaw niya ng words? Oh my god. Ito, bigyan natin ito ng words. Kawawa naman siya. I give you words, bro. I give you. Oh my god. I'm gonna fly. I give here. I'm going to give here. Oh my god, my friend. I'm kind person. I will erase. No, don't. Okay. Ito si Lily. Mahirap lang si Lily. So, hindi. And I will give him 30 words. I think kahit okay na yan, kahit di niya naman tayo kakilala, at least tumutulong na tayo, di ba? Di ba, mga friend? And dun na nagtatapos yung video natin. Sana naman nag-enjoy kayo. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe. Click nyo na lang yung bell para ma-notice kayo pag may bagong video. Bye-bye!